Friends, so good to see you all. So happy. We are at lesson number 117. The topic being items in the kitchen. We will learn signs for different items in the kitchen. For practice time, let's share and revise signs from one of our previous lessons, number 30, titled In the House, where we learned signs for different rooms and items in the house. Fan, table, window, door, clock, bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, soap, towel, chair, light, white light. Let's learn now signs for kitchen items. Knife, to cut. Knife, cutting board, rectangle shaped to cut something off. Cutting board. Peeler, to peel something. Peeler. Lighter, lighter. Strainer, to strain tea leaves, milk, etc. Strainer. Ladle, serving spoon. Ladle. Plate. Plate. Bowl. Bowl. Spoon. Spoon. Fork. Three-pronged, used to lift food to the mouth. Fork. Let's practice now the new signs that we have just learned for items in the kitchen. Knife, cutting board, peeler, lighter, strainer, ladle, plate, bowl, spoon, fork. Everybody, Please remember to keep practicing. Please feel free to post your comments or questions or any such things, and also subscribe to our videos. See you shortly.